It's a camera. It looks like a clock, but it's a camera.
Can you say camera?
Clock.
Camera.
Clock.
Camera. Can you say hi?
Take a picture of it.
Clock.
Are you doing a movie?
Yeah.
Clock.
Clock. Well, it's really actually a camera.
Ready? Oh, we gotta get a new grip. Oh, you got it. Oh my goodness, you did it upside down.
Oscar, what are you working
Push.
on?
Push.
More. More.
Push. Yay!
Yay!
Yeah.
More. That's so fun.
If you sat back a little more.
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 There you go.
More buckle.
Oh my gosh, you can do it
No.
all by yourself now.
No.
Yep, there's snow outside.
Push, push, push. Oscar, push.
Did buckle.
You can do it on his own.
I know.
Yeah. Boy, he learns quick.
No.
Okay, now do the other side.
More.
Okay.
More
Get it.
buckle.
More cowbell. Here we go.
This is exactly what Kathleen said last night.
Push, push, push.
More. More music.
Turn it this way. Turn this way. There you
How
go.
about more buckle?
More buckle. Can
Please.
you say buckle? Push.
More.
There you go. Push your pants down there. It's getting in the way. You're okay. Here you go. Line it up. You're in there. Push. Nope, you're pushing on the wrong part. There you go.
Oscar